Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I snuck off this weekend to a little area called Trade, Tennessee. I was just looking around for a little rustic cabin. I met this awesome lady and got the CT with me, and Cody might ride up tonight. We're going to be doing some exploring around Boone, North Carolina, maybe a little bit of the Transamerica Trail. But check this place out, man. It is absolutely awesome. There's a huge view, open view up there at the top of that hill. This lady was super nice to let us come, get to see Trade, Tennessee. It's kind of right above Boone area, Boone, North Carolina, on the line there. Look at this little place though, it's really cool. I think he said it sleeps 6. This is a little living area, fireplace, really a little kitchen area there. This is all you need. Look at that old wood stove. Ain't that awesome? Little small bed there. It's got a loft up there. Little bathroom with a shower. Check this out. Really decently priced. I think $140 for a night, which I'm just gonna stay one night and ride all day today and tomorrow. Let's go upstairs. Got a little window. This is all rough cut lumber. It's really nice. It's exactly what I'd like to do at the farm someday, maybe. Oh yeah. Got a little sleeping area up here. Open to below, those nice beams. It's gonna be nice. I'm gonna try to get some good footage of some trails throughout the weekend. Thanks for coming by the channel, guys. We'll get some good footage hopefully this weekend. One thing's for certain about this area of North Carolina, Tennessee. It's been in the 90s, the high 90s at home, upstate South Carolina. And this place right here, I don't think it's gonna get out of the 70s or low 80s. It's just like a wind tunnel comes across that mountain, straight down here. Open some windows in that cabin. It's gonna be good. Just let Guy pick a route down towards Boone, North Carolina today. Easing along down through here, seeing the sights. Good for the soul. You can already feel the stress lift. And I hadn't been on the road maybe 10 minutes. I believe we're about to run out of pavement, guys. Oh yeah. It's crazy how you can just find these roads by mistake. This is great. I absolutely can't believe how cool it is here. It's incredible. Alright, let's make a little decision here about which way we want to go. This looks to be dirt. I think we'll pick this way. Unalaska Road. Let's see here. Let's make sure this is going to go through where we need to. Oh man, this looks like a ride, buddy. So we're headed here. Oh yeah. Let's try it out and see. My goodness, lady. Holy cow, she thinks she owns the whole dadgum road. What's wrong with people? I'm just gonna have to ride slow. These people run slap over somebody. Really nice up here. Alright, so we can fork left or stay right. That's tarmac. Let's see where this Unalaska Road comes out. Let's just keep digging this way. I think we're okay. Back on tarmac, and what a view. Man, look back there. I hope the camera does that justice. It's on both sides here. Excellent view. Bet this is pretty in the fall time. Let's see what that looks like on the map. A little more dirt. Might have to let the Subaru go for a little bit. So we just left Boone, headed over to Blowing Rock, and I just picked this route, and sure enough, it turned to dirt again. I kind of like this area. It's windy. Oh, we're up near the Blue Ridge Parkway. I had no idea. What about that? Never know. Blowing Rock, North Carolina. So the blue line is the Transamerica Trail, but it looks like I'm gonna have to turn around and get on it. That's what it looks like. Alright, I can sit pretty good here. Yeah. I tell you what, boys, like I said, that blue line there, boys and girls rather, that blue line there is the Transamerica Trail, and I'm just going to do just a tiny little portion of it today because me and Cody might ride it tomorrow. I wonder what this is right here. It's not on the map. Anyway, let's zoom in and see. No, not at all. Yeah, it is. Gated. Okay. We're gonna try this one here. Next one up, called at Upton, it says. What I was gonna say though is I think it's always best to ride with somebody. I mean, anything can happen. You know, when I ride by myself, I ride slow. I mean, anything can happen, but there's something to be said about riding solo. I'm not telling you to do it, but it's different. It's really peaceful, and you're pretty much on your own. And you know, you're gonna have to walk if something bad happens to the bike, so that's kind of in the back of your mind. But it's I know a lot of people do it. It's kind of the only way some people ride. But you get really far back in the woods, and it's just a good feeling, you know, quiet. You're by yourself. As I said, I prefer riding with friends, but sometimes it's, you know, it's nice to go by yourself just for a little short trip. All right, let's see if we can go back to the right now. This is a paved one. But it could very well turn to dirt before we get through. Gaia pretty much has gravel, I believe sort of has dash lines alongside of it in white, and the secondary off paved roads are usually just solid white. without the dashes, so I think I'm right about that. Back getting into the cool weather. That's what we're looking for. Man, there's a pretty little fishing hole down there. Man. Oh wow, here comes a waterfall for sure, I think. Oh yeah. That might be a pretty good picture right there. Do believe. That's really nice. Let's take a little break. Alright guys, sometimes the stars align and you set out to find a campsite and you find one. Check this out. Right on the river. Nice little campsite right off the road. Campfire, circle, and the best part of all, a waterfall with a swimming hole right on the river. Hard to beat that. But anyway, we're still trucking through. I believe this yellow here on the screen is Blue Ridge Parkway portion of it. So, still trucking along. Pretty windy, but cool. Not complaining about that. Been seeing some really nice waterfalls. And speaking of, one-lane bridges. So this is definitely worth the ride. Definitely worth the ride. We'll keep trudging forward. Pretty good little ride today so far, 55.4 miles. Well, if it comes up a really bad storm, I just found a cool shelter. Let's take a picture. That is pretty neat. No doubt we can find a shelter right there. Let's take a picture. It's been windy today like crazy. Man, that is neat right there, ain't it? Well, you know what they say. Just embrace the storm. Oh, and Buddy Boy is putting it down. I'm soaked to the bone. That roof up there is moving a lot. Oh boy. Man. What a storm. Oh man. To the core. We'll ride it out, guys. That's all we can do. Look at that little bench, man. Is this not the best? This is worth staying here.